Hi, I'm Greg Delaney, user advocate for Venafi Cloud. Today I want to show you some premium features that are not available in our free product, particularly the ability to issue certificates right from Venafi Cloud. As a member, think of me as a member of the e-commerce team. Outage Predict, it's alerted me to an application that I own that has an expired certificate. This email is just an example, but it's good to see what an alert like this would look like. I'm going to log into Venafi Cloud. I'm going to navigate to the application where I want to renew the certificate. Click on View Certificates. This is the one I want to renew. Venafi Cloud is going to prevent me from configuring my certificate in a way that I shouldn't. If I set the validity period for longer than it should be, Outage Predict is going to stop me. You can imagine that an e-commerce team with a consumer-facing application, they might be affected by things like Safari limiting the validity period for anything beyond 398 days. In your case, you might even go a step further and limit it to 4 months. Outage Predict will help you enforce that. I can view the CSR policies over here on the right. I click Renew Certificate. Now I can download it and install it where it needs to be. While we'll soon be able to help you with automating the certificate installations, we are able to make it easier today to alert users of expiring certificates and allow you, as a PKI admin, to apply policy rules to the certificates that are issued. And actually, before we wrap up, let me go ahead and show some of this to you. So here I can see the CA accounts that I have set up. I'm already provided with a built-in CA, and I can chain this up to my internal CA. What I want to do is navigate over to issuing templates. I'm going to create a new template, and this creates the roles that for issuing certificates. I can bring any CA relationship that I have, if it's through DigiCert, GlobalSign, or Entrust. For the demo, I'm going to go ahead and use the built-in CA that I already showed you. I can adjust the validity period. I can also set some standardization. If I use dot star, it's going to not require any sort of validation, and these others are going to require that. Also adjust the key length here. Now I'm going to navigate back over to my application. I'm going to bind this policy to the application. Now I'm going to request a certificate. I use that template. Now what will happen is, and if I can find this here, if I use a CSR that doesn't meet this policy, Outage Predict is yet again going to show me some warnings. I've already created the correct CSR that does match these policy restrictions. I'll paste this in, request the certificate. There's the certificate that I just created. It's honestly that easy. So if you've gotten this far in the video, reach out to me or reach out to your sales rep. We'd love to grant you a 30-day trial of this capability or talk to you about our subscription services. And if you haven't signed up for Venafi Cloud, simply visit Venafi Cloud, venafi.com/outage predict sign up to get started.